Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com here on Bounce Tuesday, April 8th. And the market, after two big down days, we get in kind of a predictable rally. How far up that goes, don't really know, but it was just really unlikely that we were going to get 3 days selling in a row. So just keep that in mind when you're looking at prices in the future. Just very rare that you get 3 big down days. And I go into a lot more detail about this in our strategy session tonight. But look, I want to talk about Gilead because the stock has clearly broken an uptrend here. You can see it here. Typically, I think I was talking about Goldman Sachs the other night. A lot of times the first indication of a trend break is not the break. It's the fact that the high does not go up to reconfirm the trend line. So even though it's a higher high relative, or excuse me, it's a higher high relative to this one, maybe just barely, maybe about the same, but even if it was a little bit higher, if it doesn't confirm this trend line, then what it reflects is a stock that's losing momentum. And if the trend has been up long enough, you got to look at it and say, okay, well, this puppy's been going up so long, it kind of doesn't surprise me that it's losing momentum. So then you set your trailing stops, or you start to liquidate a little bit, wait for the trend to break, and then liquidate the rest, and you're out of this really nice trade right around here. Well, now if you're still holding the stock, it's bouncing for the second time off the 200-day moving average, but this first time didn't lead to much of a rally. Like, it didn't even come up and test this prior support line, which a lot of times you look for. Frankly, you look for those to roll over, and then that's your shorting opportunity. Here, though, it was such a weak bounce. Now we're back to test it. So here's really, in my view, the trade. If it falls below this level, I don't really think that's a short because it's already fallen so far. It's bound to bounce up somewhere around here. Instead, what I think you do is hope, not a method, but often used, hope to get a weak bounce here. And then you get off the short on a lower high relative to this one. Now you're drawing a trend line this way. You short the stock here, anticipate the move below the 200-day moving average, and that's your trade. So anyway, hope this helps. Members, I've got a video with all of your requests for analysis, and then another one with strategy session where there's surprisingly a lot to do right now. And I'll pound the table again to all you guys who are just looking at the free charts. I'm glad you're here. Just know that some of your compadres have joined Stock Market Mentor. I get these emails on a fairly frequent basis. Hey, Dan, I've been enjoying your free charts for the last 2 years and finally decided to take the plunge. I love it here. Thank you so much for putting, a great website together. I'm really learning a lot. Stuff like that. I'm not reading. I'm just recounting the emails that I get and the posts that I see in the forum on a really regular basis. So if you have not tried Stock Market Mentor, all I'm telling you is, I don't take it personally because I don't even know who you are and you don't know me either. So I don't take it personally, but I'm telling you, it's a flippin' free trade, okay? Take the trade. If you don't like it, your stop loss is at 0 loss. So am I pounding the table? Yeah, pretty much I am. So why don't you prove me wrong when I think that you're not going to try it for a month for free, okay? Go ahead. I dare you. Prove me wrong.